We in the water.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? Today, actually this week is gonna be sick. We are out in the Keys, just north of Key West in what's called Little Torch Key. Down here for 4 days, so we're gonna have a bunch of spearfishing, a bunch of fishing videos. We're actually about to hop in the boat now, got everything loaded, and we're gonna head out to a couple marine sanctuaries. So we're gonna start the day with just some snorkeling, everybody getting in the water, getting comfortable, and then we'll work our way back down south towards some of the reefs that aren't as heavily regulated that we can spearfish on and do some normal fishing. We've got a couple major species that we're targeting today. We're gonna go for a hogfish, super common down here, good eating, trying to get one of those. And then any grouper that we can find, we're definitely gonna shoot because they are super tasty. So hop on the boat and get down to our first place. Once we get there, I'll tell you guys about it and show you around. We just pulled up on a reef, landed first cast, caught a little yellowtail. Oh, it's actually a good sized yellowtail. No way, dude. Oh.
Dad, can you eat that?
Let's not break that.
Yeah, yellowtail snapper is actually good.
That is crazy.
Over there, Lana?
Yeah, let it sink all the way.
What is it?
Yellowtail snapper. It looks like
Oh, a snapper? Oh yeah, look at them all following my thing up.
That is so crazy.
This one doesn't sink very well.
Oh, this is gonna be fun, dude. You know, and get in the water. All right, we're at our first spot. Just a random reef. Me and Colby are gonna get in the water, see what it looks like. Landon and my dad are fishing.
Colby camera.
I'm getting in. Colby's got a GoPro too.
This is the Colby camera. We in the water.
Out at Sombrero Lighthouse, which is the lighthouse here behind me. It's crazy to see all the coral and stuff here because once you get shallower, there's a lot of dead coral, but still tons of fish.
huge a couple huge barracudas in there. And the waves kind of push you into the pool, so it's scary to go in, but I might try. That's the lighthouse. Like some under it. Let's see what's around.
Swell. So we only went to the 2 reefs and then came back, we're getting a little seasick. We're gonna go down, eat some lunch, and then go explore Key West, I think. Nothing? Just gonna walk by?
Didn't know you want me to say anything.
Come on. One-handed. Let's go. Heading to Key West. Look at the iguana. Most southern point of the continental U.S.